Guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we're working here on a Ford Focus, guys, MK3. This one will be the third generation from 2012 to 2018, guys. And if your windshield washer pump does not work, we'll show you which fuse you need to check for that. There is actually two fuses. There is a relay as well. So check out, guys, all the videos that we post. We'll have more than 200 videos, guys, on this car. So videos will be coming all the time. Our mission here at the shop is to provide free videos to you guys so you can learn how to fix your car and save you as much money as we can. All we need in return is give a like, guys, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So, as you know, you have some fuses located under the hood, but the ones that we need, they're actually on the passenger side behind the glove box. So all we have to do, get to the passenger side. You probably noticed that our glove box is missing here, but that's not necessary. You don't need to remove the glove box. The only reason we removed it is so we can get more room to show you where the fuses are. So all you need to do, you can see that cover here need to be removed on the bottom. So squeeze those things together and pull out and remove the cover, guys. And this is where your fuses and your BCM module is located, body control module. So now, let's see. We need to locate fuse number 77 is the first fuse, and you can see next to each fuse there is a number in the top right corner. This is the corresponding fuse number. So number 77 is a 20 amp fuse in our case. Okay, this is the first one. We'll pull it out, replace it with a new one. All the tools and parts that we use, guys, including those fuses, this is amazing deal. Nothing sponsored here, but we found a really good deal on these fuses, so check it out in the description of the video below. Okay, we'll get a 20 amp fuse and replace it now. Now we need to make sure that it goes in the correct way. I mean, the correct in the correct holes, because otherwise if it doesn't go in you can bend something. Another fuse that we need to check is number 82 on the very top right here, 20 amp fuse. Okay, but ours, the first one was bad. The second one, most of the times you can see, but this one seems fine. So we will not replace this one. So these two fuses, guys, are for the windshield washer pump. Thank you guys for watching. Now don't forget to install your cover here later. Okay, that's the only thing. And if you need any help with anything, please, guys, drop a comment under the video in the comment section, and we'll try to make a specific video for your problem. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.